In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop UpRock earning app notifications. If you're receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to put an end to this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright. To fix this, you need to go to your app and access its app info page. You can access UpRock earning app info page through settings, or you can simply just long press on your app and you should see we have an option for app info. Now, depending on your smartphone, that is Android smartphone, you might be missing this. You should have the name of the app or even a setting gear that will take you to app info page. At this point, go to permission section and under it, look for notifications. And as you can see, all these 6 types of notifications are on. That's why you have been receiving these alerts. Now, if you no longer need these alerts, instead of toggling or turning off one by one here, just turn off show notifications here, and this will disable all the other types of notifications. So that's how you can disable UpRock earning app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.